What up everyone, this is Motorola here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a free Ghibli style image from ChatGPT. So let's get right into this. So a lot of folks wanted to kind of learn how to essentially create Ghibli images for free, where you don't have to download like these other apps and whatnot to do this. You can do this directly with ChatGPT. You don't need a pro version. It might be faster if you have the pro or paid version, but you can do it on the free ChatGPT version. The only thing is you just need to be logged in. That's the only criteria for this specific thing. And it does take some time to run and process. Like I said, it might be faster if you do it in the paid version, but I just, for example, I asked another one, but this is one for now. I asked make a Ghibli image of Naruto by the water for relaxing. And you can see essentially it made a specific one for Naruto. I asked another one as well. I just said make a Ghibli style image of Benjamin Franklin. So it does usually sometimes ask you to be very detailed, not just give a random, make a Ghibli image of said person, right? It usually says to give it a little bit more information sometimes, but sometimes it does do it. You can see I've been actually it's been processing for 2 minutes now, so it does take time for it to process, and it will make it for you. I don't know if there's any limitations or not. I have played around with it for a bit. It hasn't really stopped, but you can essentially get the image created from here, and then essentially you'll be good to go to get, again, whatever you want to have created. But yeah, that's basically, I wanted to show you guys that this is it. You just literally need to log in. You don't need to do anything else. Nothing crazy, nothing different, nothing specific. Oh, perfect. Look, it got created. So that's it. That's all you need to do. You can go more detailed into it. You can go more descriptive. You can have different types of styles as well, different animations and different animators and whatnot. Again, Studio Ghibli is the most prominent one, so a lot of folks usually say this. You can use gaming artists, you can use anime artists, different types of ones to ask for different types of references. But yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please don't go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.